Karuna from Vasudev Vidya Mandir, and in today's class we will do grade 10th maths NCERT exercise 1.1 question number 3. Question number 1 and 2 we have done in previous classes. You can go and check out the videos. Now we will going to do question number 3. The first part is find the LCM and HCF by prime factorization method. So we have to find LCM and HCF of 12, 15 and 21. So let's start. 12, 15 and 21. 12 we will start with the smallest number, okay, smallest digit. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 is 6, 3 5 are 5 1s are 3 7s are 7. ओके, सो 12 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 2 की पावर 2 इंटू 3 एंड 15 वी कैन राइट लाइक 3 इंटू 5 and 21 we can write as 3 into 7. Okay, now LCM of 12, 15 and 21 is, what we do in LCM, we'll take what is common, what is uncommon, plus the highest power in what is common. So we can see that what is common, we can see that 3 is common, okay, and the highest power of 3 is power same है, तो 3 की पावर 1 हम नहीं लिखते, प्लस जो अनकॉमन है लाइक दिस, लाइक दिस, लाइक दिस, 2 raised to the power 2 मल्टीप्लाई 5 मल्टीप्लाई 7, मल्टीप्लाई आप कर लीजिएगा. ओके, नाउ HCF ऑफ 12, 15 and 21 is, we will only take what is common in HCF and that to the lowest power. जो common है बस वही लेना है, जो uncommon है उसको हमें नहीं लेना है, और जो common है उसकी lowest power लेनी है. So we can see that 3 is common in all 3 and the lowest power of 3 is 1. So HCF of this is 3. This is the answer. Okay. Now proceed to part number 2 of question number 3. Now I am deleting this and we will proceed to part number 2. Okay, so we are going to delete the first part and we will proceed to part number 2. So part number 2 of question number third is 17, 23 and 29. देख लीजिए, एनसीईआरटी खोल के बैठिए अपनी और समझिए. 17 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन वेरी सिंपल, 23 प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन वेरी सिंपल, 29 प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन extremely simple. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find LCM of 17, 23 and 29. 17, 23 में 17 को इस तरीके से लिखिए, क्या है प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन 17 और कुछ नहीं है इंटू 1. 23 का भी 23 इंटू 1. यू कैन राइट लाइक 23 भी आप लिख सकते हैं. 29 का 29 इंटू 1 1 जा 1. ओके, तो LCM इज what is common plus what is not common. You can see that 1 is common but we are not writing 1 over here. What is not common? 17. What is not common? 23. What is not common? 29. That means these 3 number are not common. 17 देखिए इसमें है, बाकी दोनों में नहीं है. 23 सिर्फ इसी में ही है, बाकी दोनों में नहीं है. 29 सिर्फ इसमें है, बाकी दोनों में नहीं है. तो LCM इज 17 इंटू 23 इंटू 29. मल्टीप्लाई करके आपको पेपर में दिखाना है. HCF में मैंने क्या बताया था, जो कॉमन है आपको सिर्फ वही लेना है और उसका लोएस्ट पावर. इन तीनों में मुझे तो कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं दिख रहा है ना, सिर्फ 1 1 1 है, तो अगर कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है दैट मीन्स HCF इज 1. ओके, सो दिस इज द आंसर. सेकेंड पार्ट समझ में आया आप लोगों को? ओके, सेकेंड पार्ट नोट करिए. then I'll delete that second part and we will proceed to the last part of this question, third part of question number third. Okay, we are deleting this whole. Okay, now by prime factorization method we have to find out LCM and HCF of 8, 9 and 25. So let's start with 8, then 9 and in last 25. 8, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are. So how can we write 8? We can write 8 as 2 raised to the power 3. Okay. 9, how can we write it? 3 raised to the power 2. And 25 is 5 raised to the power 2. So LCM of 8, 9 and 25 is what is common and highest power plus what is not common. What is not common? This. So 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 2 into 5 raised to the power 2. So we will multiply this 8 into 9 into 25. Okay, 8 into 9 into 25. It comes out to be 1800. Okay, multiply करके आपको दिखाना है. Now we will find HCF of 8, 9 and 25. We will take only what is common in HCF. We will not take what is not common. Okay, तो क्या common है इन तीनों में और उसकी भी lowest power. तो इन तीनों में कुछ भी common नहीं है. You can see. तो अगर कुछ भी common नहीं है, that means HCF comes out to be 1. So this is the answer. So we have done with question number 3. Okay, if any query you can write in comment section.